you not happy to be here? Say the truth. Say the truth in your heart.
Before I say anything, sorry.
Baby! Don't try that.
I won't say anything.
I say something now. So
I have to clean.
My lip gloss, are you mad?
It's your business. It's not my body.
Ah, baby, you clean the truth. It's not pay me. Guy, this guy. Guy, this one pay. How about sweetheart? How about now?
Okay, will she agree for me to just remove this?
Are you mad? This is lip gloss.
It's not the same thing. This is your
Hi.
stuff. This is my stuff. Okay, let me remove some of the
Remove.
Guys, watch me.
It will pain you. Put it. Let's see how it's going to stick. And you put that must kiss you now. I think I'm happy that you're even reducing my lip gloss.
See one?
Maybe remember that was like this. Was it still like me? It's not paining you. It doesn't good because you have many hair. Yeah.
Now, wait, look at the camera. You guys see me? Now.
You have finished paying my lip. See the mouth of this hair everywhere. I know I like the hair, but no, okay, you're happy to be here.
I'm happy to be here. I miss you guys.
Yes, he has missed you. Who is that? Dog, you guys, welcome. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're tuning in for the first time, my name is Mabel. Alright, and I'm married to this fine boy.
No name.
His name is the man, alright? Call him the man. Ogi the man. My man. Ifemi. Oh, call me. Dimo. Hey! What else is it? I'm trying to learn English. You know, teach me not all those phrases.
I have to teach you what to praise me. No, I can't teach you.
See, you're wasting time. See, you guys. Do I have to teach you what?
Name Mama Richard. Or Mama Sarah.
See how you know Igbo. This is the reason why I don't understand Igbo. I speak to him, but he doesn't speak to me.
Eh?
So you don't speak to me. Am I lying? Say I lie. Talk true.
Later I will settle that score.
Okay, so it's me that will talk first now. So guys, in today's video, we're going to be sharing how we satisfy each other. So satisfaction. Oh my God, sweetheart, I'm so happy that you're here. You're sweating.
This is one of it.
How I satisfy you?
How I?
By being here.
Yes.
Satisfaction is basically beyond sex. When you say satisfaction, people think sex, which is part of it, which we're going to be still talking about in this video, but it's beyond sex. We're going to be sharing other things that we do, other intimate things that we do to satisfy. Oh my God, sweetheart, I'm so happy to satisfy each other as a couple. So if you want to know, then please keep watching.
Guys, the first thing we'll be sharing today with you guys is our shower time.
Yes, you guys, we have lots and lots of shower time together, and it's really, really beautiful. See, we do not have like a jacuzzi or like a swimming pool or anything. Our tiny bathtub, we always took ourselves in there together. We have some, petals and some candles. Sometimes music we play in the bathroom, and then we'll just be there, gisting with a glass of wine. It's always really, really cool and very, very intimate. Now that we have a child, it's not so easy having, when my mom was around, yes, it was easy. We could leave Jamal with Momsy and, go have our time. But now Momsy's not here right now. She left last week. So yeah, it's really something that you should try doing. Not every time sex, okay? Sex is not food. So you have to be not food. Oh my God, you guys, see, sex is not food. So your intimate moment should not just be sex. Except, of course, most of you are fine with it. We are not really sex freaks. We like to do other things aside sex. That is cool. I'll be sharing the second thing we do. It's not really much, but the second thing we do is that we
move around your house.
Naked. Always do. Okay. Yes, see, we're always, okay, you people, why are you sharing this one? I'm shy, but of course, we are always naked. When we're in our room, when we're in the house, I'm telling you, both of us, I wonder how, like, do you know, even now that we have a child, we still stay naked? Because of course, it's still very small, but we're always naked. And we play with each other's bodies. Oh, am I shy? Are you shy? I'm so shy. we play with each other's bodies. I know that there are couples that, you know, they don't see their bodies except they have to start getting intimate. That's the only time. In short, they don't even see it because the lights turned off. But with us, hey, we don't tell ourselves English. God, we play with each other's bodies a lot, and I find it up on your phone.
Sorry about that.
This man has been picking calls. See, let's hurry up. Yes, the other thing that we do is that we do lots of love dance. We dance a lot. I used to know how to dance very well before, but now I cannot dance again. Now he can dance more than me. Sweetheart, I used to dance more than you before, and you know, we used to deny it. Let's not waste time, okay? But
you cannot say that before they used to dance.
I used to dance more than, okay, you dance more than me. Baby, okay, no problem. I will teach you. So we have lots of love dance. Sometimes I give you love dance exclusive. Hey, come on, you need to see me. Baby, I'm jealous of you. You're enjoying, no?
Yeah, don't use to. You're not enjoying it. You're not enjoying it.
So I give him lap dance, I rock him, sometimes he rocks me, and it's just fun. You know, it's just different. Sometimes it's in our bedroom, sometimes it's in the living room. We just get to dance. Sometimes, you know, we just turn off the lights, dance. Sometimes it's daytime. It's not always at night, right, baby, that we dance. Sometimes it's during the day, but we just dance and we can look at each other in the eyes. We maintain eye contact. My husband cannot really maintain eye contact with people. I'm sure even looking at you guys now, it's so hard. But when this man reaches my side, the kind of power way they get, I don't understand. When it gets to my turn, my husband can look me in the eyes. Anytime we're getting so intimate and all the whole romance stuff, this man looks me deep in the eyes. And I've learned to see before, man, just to cut. But why do you used to do that, Sha? Is it intentional? Say the truth. You love me too much, they're looking at me in my eyes. Why do you look at me? You look at here. Who you? You know, so he looks at me. I don't know, I'm sure you don't do it. I've asked him a couple of times. He doesn't even know that he does it, but I just noticed that this man looks at me in the eyes. And I love it. Like, we maintain eye contact a lot. Yeah. We maintain eye contact a lot, and it really helps us bond. It's not about like sexual satisfaction, intimate satisfaction, you guys, for me and for my husband. It's all about bonding. Maybe it's your phone ringing again. No. It's all about bonding, like all these things. Like if you're married and you want to spice up your leg again, you. Are you sure? I'll just continue.
No.
Mask down. Okay. So, but I feel like I'm now fat. So all these things that we do basically just spices up the whole thing. Sometimes we do new stuff. Like one time we did a picnic under the stars. But now we cannot do it because, you know, our backyard is not as it used to be before. It's now very scattered. We've not had time to arrange it. But you know, sometimes you can try it. Just have like picnic at night or in the evening, you know, under the stars, put some things on the floor, just both of you. No phone, no distraction. This one that we're filming said because it's doing its business. That's why I'm looking at buying a big phone. When we're together like that, we just keep phones aside because phones these days, it just distracts people and you don't get time to bond with partner. Which other one have we not shared? So can you remember anyone? Massage. We do massage. Just on your phone. Thank you. I'm really rushing. Okay, sorry you guys. So we have massage time. We have like some essential oils that you know just turn up the lights, and we have. I think I do the massage most of the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do the massage most of the time.
But whenever I do one in town.
Yeah, one in town. Well, we do massage, like you know, turn up the lights. See, once you have a partner, just enjoy yourself. Don't just do one thing that sex. Okay, we do massage times. We just you know have oils all over. It's just very relaxing. After we have our bath, yes, I remember on that one. That's what I'm going to be sharing. Before we talk about sex, see our pillow fight.
Oh.
And one miserable fight we used to fight that We still laugh to talk each other. It's fun, you guys. I will just be shouting in the whole house. I will have pillow fights, of course, naked, and we kiss a lot. See, kissing it. See, we kiss a lot. After prayers in the morning, we end after amen. Mwah. Every small thing. Mwah. Like, you cannot marry my husband and not like kissing. I said you cannot marry my husband before. Hey, oh, please, oh, you cannot marry my husband. Yeah, I said it. So yeah, we kiss a lot after eating, after everything. All those things are just sweet, and you know, we just try to make sure we don't fight. We fight though, let me even tell you too. We fight a lot, but we try to make sure we settle it almost immediately because we must pray together, and after prayer we must kiss. We cannot be fighting and be praying and be saying I'm diverting. So yes, we kiss a lot, we do pillow fights, we play games. There are times that game will enter our head. We'll say it's Ludo today, or 1 month, every day Ludo. Tomorrow we'll enter Monopoly. Next tomorrow, you know, and we just fight and shout and kiss and all of that. All those things are very, very satisfying. And then yes, we're going to move to sex. We have what? We have sex. Yeah. Baby, talk.
That is all.
That is all. Yes, we have sex. Any of that? What do you want to know again? What do you want to know? We have sex. You people. I'm done with this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Hit the subscribe button. Tell them you have to subscribe.
Don't forget, just because of me.
Please, because of him, subscribe to my channel. Yes, please hit that red subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Yeah, hit the button. Alright, and share this video if you like it. Drop a comment. Share other things that you think that we can also do, of course.
Once you do that, you'll be seeing me soon.
Share things that we can do because see, we're going to be together forever, so we need more fun stuff that we can do. Whatever you do with a partner that you think you can share, please share in the comments. We'll be right there waiting. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you so much.
We love you guys, and I'm going to see you. We are going to anyone in the next one.